ẹ̀yin sùn lé yín ni. Ẹ ṣiṣẹ́ nílé kẹ́ tí wọ́n bọ̀ kíláàsì ni. Ẹ ní sẹ́ni. Okay. Afusa, you mean house chores? Rárá. Home economy ni. Ẹ ti ẹ̀dùn ọ̀nà. Kí ló wọ́n tí òun Balikisi gan-an? Wọ́n rán sí mi ni. Sorry, mi tí mo wọ ìdíjà ní first class.
Okay.
Èyí tọ́pọ̀lọ́ mi gbé mo mọ̀ o. Afusa, Balikisi is actually right. Ní gbẹ́nu rẹ sàn. Èmi lèmi wà left. Besides, èmi ní àwọn sisters lẹ́yìn tó máa ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn house chores yẹn. Ìwọ ló mọ why tí ò jẹ́ kálájà bímọlé ẹ̀. So, o ní láti complain at all. Ẹjọ́ rẹ wá ni, òun ní bọ́ lọ́hùn. Tó bá ti délé ọkọ rẹ, ẹ mọ̀ kan àwọn àbúrò rẹ kan wọ́n bọ́ fọwọ́ tọkọ rẹ fi jẹun. Afusa, I'm going to have an housemaid, ṣùgbọ́n. So I'm not thinking to be poor. Copy that. Iyọ̀. Òun ní bọ́ lọ́hùn. Àwọn alẹ́ ìdíje copy.
All stand.
Good morning. Hey! Ẹ má fi ògùn kúnlẹ̀ fún mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ìkúnlẹ̀ ṣe wà.
Okay.
Who among you bring my tutor fee? Kò sí. Kò lè sí. Ẹ kò fẹ́ kí n ṣá máa wá sí kíláàsì ṣá. I'm being imparting knowledge for free. So when I get home, I should turn to history teacher to my children. Abi, and be telling my children super story. See, education is not by force, oh. Yes, education is not by force.
Principal.
Charity education ò bá pay yín. Ẹ lọ máa ti ta ní my 12.
She what?
Even you, o lè lọ máa ṣe conductor.
Okay.
Depending on your choice. It's not a must to become lawyer, oh.
No, too.
Just because of your family general problem. Let me see you coming next week without your tutor fee. Yàrá yà yín ní wà kọ́ yín bí.
Carry your paper. Hey, them for my class. People of this world, them plenty.
Today, we are going straight to equation with fraction. To solve this kind of equation, we have two methods.
Okay.
You can either use cross multiplication method or get rid of fraction method. So in this case, let us first treat cross multiplication method. We have our equation like this. S plus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 4 divided by 1. So cross multiplication means S plus 2 divided by 3, then you cross multiply. Then this multiply by this and that. Then we have S plus 2 is equal to 4 into bracket 3. So we have S plus 2 is equal to 12. Now S is equal to 12 minus 2. And we have X is equal to 10. I think it's all clear now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, let's test ourselves with this equation. So, here, can start now. Yes, Afusa, what happened? Will you put your hand down and solve what is on the board? I know the answer already, ma. What? That is so swift of you. And if you can get the answer correctly,
okay,
you are going to give two stroke of canes to all this moron. You know, Okay. Tell me. The answer is 12, ma. Wow! Bravo! Come on, a round of applause for her. Oh yeah, take. Give them two lashes.
she what?
Someone know why. Ẹ mọ yín wá. Ìṣẹ́ ìwọ̀n ìṣẹ́lì olódò tó yọ orí rẹ̀ dọ́ta tó yọ olódò láti lé yín wá. Ṣèbí ìbọn wílẹ̀ kan ọ ní àwọn sílẹ̀ lọ́mọ wọ́ọ̀sì plate. Irú òbí ti wèrè ní mọ́wọ́ rẹ wá. Ọlọ́mọ nǹkan kan fún ọwọ́ ìyá rẹ̀ jóná. Mọ́wọ́ rẹ wá. Afusa beat them very well. Kí tún kọ́mọ lórí? Where are your minds when I was shouting here? Olódò kò mọ nǹkan kan. Sorry on Balikisi, or gentle tears, but oh, imagine the business here. Oh, yeah, tell what? How are you, Mr. Tell what you need to know. Oh, my correct, you know, classic. Can shoot well, if you want to frustrate me, Abi, never. Lie. Auntie, I beg you. Well done. So you guys want to prove dumb, right? Were you not here when I said solving this kind of equation will be s minus 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. S minus 6 is equal to 2 bracket into 3. S minus 6 is equal to 6. Then we have s is equal to 6 plus 6. Then we have s is equal to 12. And that you can either use cross multiplication method or get rid of fraction method. Hey, Afusa, my dear. Yes, ma'am. Which any of this method did you use, Jare? Is it the cross multiplication method?
What?
Okay. Is the get rid of fraction method?
No.
Really? Don't tell me it's factorization method though, because I've not taught you guys that one. No. It is up equal to down method. Wow. What kind of method is that? Seri, that 12 that you write there, yeah. Ah, this one? Yes.
She what?
Only more for Isale by. Have to get it 12.
Yeah! Olúwa! Ó já mi lára jẹ.
Ṣé ìgbà ni?